Yo guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how and what I use to clean my alloys. So without further ado, let's get in. So the product I'm using today is Auto Glim and an alloy brush. Give the alloy, cover all the alloy and what needs cleaning. Wouldn't recommend getting it on your hands or in any coats because it does sting. Brush. Try and cover most of the alloy and try and get rid of all of the brake dust and all the dirt and muck.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Now once you've done this, let's move that out of the way. And you get a finish like this. Like for more content. Until the next video, I'll see you next time.